Right?
Hi. What's that? Oh, what's that?
So big.
So big.
She is so
Big. Hi.
You're big.
Don't be scared. She's camera shy.
You're like 7 feet tall. You're big.
Yes.
What do you have?
Very, very big.
Yes.
So much bigness.
Why is everybody looking at me? It's your little monkey on your shirt. Hi. There you go. Hi.
Years ago, Leslie could
You're a fortunate child.
that sort of
You know that,
stained
don't
glass.
you? Yes, you are.
Tell us a story, Kenzie.
That we danced with.
Tell them about your friends. Your little friends that you have.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and they hold your hand and then they put it in their mouth. And then she looks at him like, excuse me? You're not a cheap date, aren't you? Huh.
Okay.
Oh,
Very
Do
nice,
something exciting.
It's interesting, yeah.
isn't it? Scrunch your eyes.
Kenzie, put something in your mouth.
oh how beautiful. That's ivory?
Is it ivory?
Yeah, it's beautiful.